Here we have the example for circle. The equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Find the coordinate of its center, radius, and the coordinate of the point at which it cuts the axis. So first, what we have to do is to compare the situation with the general equation of the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Here we have the general equation of the circle. Plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So kindly compare the situation. Here we have 2g is equals to negative 3. 2f is equals to 0. And we have the formula for radius. R squared equals to g squared plus f squared minus c. So g is equals to negative 3 over 2 and f is equals to 0. And the center will be negative g, negative f. So the center will be 3 over 2, 0. Next is to find the radius. Kindly substitute the situation into the formula. So here we have r squared is equals to g squared. So if we square the situation, we will have 904 plus with 0 minus c. So in here the c is negative 4. So we have to plus 4. So r squared is equals to 904 plus 4. And we will have 25 over 4. So finally, r is equals to 5 over 2. Next is to find the coordinate at the point it cuts the axis. So here we have the x-axis and y-axis. So in order to find the point cut the axis for the situation y-intercept, so means that x equals to 0, where we have to substitute the value x equals to 0, so we will have y squared minus 4 equals to 0. Kindly factorize the situation. So y minus 2 multiply with y plus 2, and we have equals to 0. So y is equals to 2 and y is equals to negative 2. So the coordinate cut the y-axis will be 0, 2, and 0, negative 2. Next, what we have to do is to find the x-axis. So where we have y is equals to 0. So kindly substitute the situation, and we will have x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Kindly factorize the situation. X minus 4 multiply with x plus 1. So x will be equals to 4, x will be equals to negative 1. So the point for the x-axis will be 4, 0, negative 1, 0. So here we have the part B. Show that the line whose equation is 3x plus 4y equals to 17 touch the circle and find its coordinate. So in here what we have to do is substitute the straight line equation into the circle. So here we have the equation of circle. And kindly modify the situation for the straight line, where we can express the situation in terms of y and x as a subject. So we have 3x is equals to 17 minus 4y. So x will be equals to 17 minus 4y over 3. Kindly substitute the x into the equation of the circle. So where we will have 17 minus 4y squared over 9 plus with y squared minus 3 multiply with 17 minus 4y over 3 minus 4 equals to 0. Kindly simplify the situation and expand the 17 minus 4y. So we will have 289 minus with 136y plus 16y squared over 9 plus with the y squared minus 17 plus with 4y minus 4 equals to 0. Then multiply both sides with the 9. So we will have 16y squared minus 136y plus 289 minus 189 plus 36y equals to 0. So simplify the situation and we will have 25y squared minus 100y plus with the 100 is equals to 0. Kindly simplify the situation with the 25. So y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. Factorize the situation. Y minus 2 bracket square is equals to 0, where we have y is equals to 2. Kindly substitute the y equals to 2 into this part. So x will be equals to 3. So the coordinate will be 3, 2. So here we have the coordinate where the line touched the circle. Next, what we have to do is to show that the line touched the circle. So kindly focus on this part, where we have the situation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the value for a is equals to 1, for b will be equals to negative 4, and for c is equals to 4. Kindly substitute the situation into the discriminant formula, where we have b squared minus 4ac. So we have 16 minus 4 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 4, and we have equals to 0. Since the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0, and it shows that the straight line touched the circle. Next, part C. Shows also that the line and the tangent to the circle at the point 3, negative 2 intersect at the point on the x-axis and then find its coordinate. So kindly illustrate the situation. So here we have the equation of the circle and also the diagram for the circle. And the center is 3 over 2, 0. Next, we have the tangent to the circle at the point 3, negative 2. So first, what we have to do is to find the gradient for the normal. So m is equals to y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So in this case, we have 0 minus with negative 2 over 3 over 2 minus with the 3. So kindly simplify the situation. So the gradient for the normal will be 2 over negative 3 over 2. If we simplify the situation, the gradient for the normal will be equals to negative 4 over 3. So what we have to do is to find the gradient for the tangent. As we all know, the gradient for the normal multiply with the gradient for the tangent, and we have equals to negative 1. So in here, where we have the gradient for the tangent will be equals to 3 over 4. Next is to find the equation of the tangent, which is the straight line. Y is equals to mx plus c. So where we have the gradient for the tangent, y equals to 3x over 4 plus with the c. And kindly substitute the point 3, negative 2 into the straight line equation. So where we will have negative 2 is equals to 9 over 4 plus with the c. So c will be equals to negative 17 over 4. So finally, y is equals to 3x minus 17 over 4. Next, what we have to do is to show that the line in part B, where we have 3x plus 4y equals to 17 for the first equation, and the second part where we have the tangent to the circle at the point 3, negative 2, where we have y is equals to 3x minus 17 over 4, and we name it as a second equation. Kindly substitute the second equation into the first equation. So where we will have 3x plus 4 multiply with 3x minus 17 over 4 equals to 17. Simplify the situation. So 3x plus with the 3x minus 17 is equals to 17. So finally, we have 6x is equals to 34 and x is equals to 17 over 3. So kindly substitute the value of x into the second equation. So where we will have y is equals to 3 multiplied with 17 over 3 minus 17 over 4. So y will be equals to 0. So as a conclusion, the points of intersection between the two lines will be 17 over 3 and 0. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.